What up, y'all? Today we have caught a flat, but we at the tire shop. Gonna get everything taken care of. So let's see what this gonna run us. Call it a day. I know y'all hear that ticking noise, but guess what? Ain't nothing wrong with the Merc. That's that damn fan up under there that we gotta get situated. So that's gonna be another video for y'all someday soon. As of right now, we ain't worried about it because it's just the AC. It's blowing good, so I ain't gonna complain. And I'm still working on finding another grill. But yeah. Oh yeah, and I got the tent for the headlights. So I will be bringing you guys a video of that as well. So y'all just stay tuned. Be patient with us. Yeah, we're gonna be tinting these bad boys up right here. I'm thinking about bringing it all the way to right here. I'm not sure yet though, but we'll see. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Look at that. Everything up off of there. Still holding on my shocks. Yep. Be a nice little ticket. Oh man. From the short I did, it got them brakes and rotors I had put on here. Yeah, buddy. They knew all the way around. Eventually we'll upgrade to slotted. Get us some new brake covers, whatever the hell the correct name of those are. Probably paint them, probably not. But we'll see how that goes. Sun going down. I am hungry out here, but yeah, here we go. Catch y'all in a little bit. Yeah, buddy, and it's brand new. Man. Ticket for that one tire, boy, I tell you, brand new. Woo! But yeah, man, we back rolling. Catch y'all in a little while, man. We're gonna wrap this one up, call it a night. Let's make sure we like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We almost at 200 subs, y'all. Get at y'all in the next one.